Let's solve this problem. From the keyboard, we will read number n, for example 5. Then we will read n numbers. So if we read 5, we will read 5 numbers. Then we must display the sum of n numbers. So the sum of all of these 5 numbers will be 33. So let's do it. First of all, I will declare my variable n, and then I will read from the keyboard my variable n. Then I must create a loop that will run n times. So let's create a loop that runs n times. We write for int I is equal to 1 while I is smaller or equal to n I plus plus. That's how you create a loop that will run n times. So my counter will start from 1 and it will run the loop while it's smaller or equal to n, in our case 5, and every time the value of counter will increase by 1. And every time in the loop I will read a number, this number, this number, this, and so on. So to read a number, I will create variable x, and every time in the loop I will read my variable x, so the value of my variable x will change every time it enters the loop. So every time I will read a new value for my variable x, and then I will add up this value to my variable sum. So let's create sum, and you would say that sum will be 0 at the beginning. So when you read a number, you say that sum is equal to sum plus x. And finally, when you finish the loop, you want to print the value of your variable sum. And of course, we return 0. Now I run my program. I have 5 numbers. Let them be 10, 10, 30, 40, and 5. So the result must be 95. That's all, guys.